So what are some of the ways you can recover your deleted photos on your Android smartphone? Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In this video, I'm going to be guiding you through the steps on how you can recover deleted photos on Android. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now every Android these days comes with their own gallery app, and on every gallery app these days you have your own recycle bin. So if you deleted your photo from the gallery app, you could see it in the recycle bin folder. To get started with that, I'm just going to show you a couple of my photos. So I'm just going to open the gallery app. Then I'm going to delete a few specific videos from the list. So let's say I select all this, then I'll just tap on delete. Then I'll just tap on the move to recycle bin option over here. Then once I've done that, all I need to do is just tap the three lines icon here. Then here you can see in my case I have the recycle bin, and inside recycle bin I can go ahead and simply find all those chats. Then I can go ahead and simply tap on either of these photos that I want to recover. I have the option to delete them again or tap on restore. So I'll just tap on the restore option in this case. Then you can see the photo will move back to my main feed. Now this is if you deleted the photos using the gallery app, right? Now sometimes you could have deleted the photos using the My Files application. Now even the file manager application these days actually has their own recycle bin. So maybe you went to My Files, and then maybe you went to images over here. Maybe you saw a list of images, and then maybe you deleted that images. You can still recover those because in My Files as well you have a dedicated recycle bin. As you can see over here, you can just go to recycle bin, you'll find the files and folders that you've deleted, and you should be able to recover them. Now in case none of this is working for you, sometimes by any chance you could actually be using the Google Photos app, right? So you might also be using the Google Photos app. So I'll just open up Google Photos. Now Google Photos also have their own trash icon, because if you just come to library over here, and then if you just go to bin, you will be able to see a list of photos that you've deleted over the years, and then you should be able to restore them accordingly. And that is it for this video on how you can go ahead and recover deleted photos on Android phone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.